This is the elevator at Building 1 at SouthSide Works in SouthSide Flats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Case fire use stairway. This is a ThyssenKrupp for Oildraulic with impulse, I believe. Let's just hope we're not locked out, but it doesn't even appear to be active. Here it is. Inside lantern does not work. What's up with the blue stuff? That's weird. 3. And here you go out. Yeah, this is actually a ThyssenKrupp because it was installed in 2002. But Marshall, of course, left on their sticker, but you can still see the old ThyssenKrupp underneath. I'll go back down to 1 and ring the bell ThyssenKrupp check. '88 phone, helpline. Just your basic cap with these weird blue things. Not sure what the point of that is. I guess just a design feature. Certificate, and again, installed in 2002. Yeah, Marshall slapped on their sticker. You can still see the ThyssenKrupp logo under there. That's rather interesting. Yeah, you're back at 1. This is not going to be it.